We're going right now.
Ooh, it's no.
Technical difficulties. How she ripped it? When you saw how she ripped it?
No.
She just pull it out or
Struggle. Basically struggle.
let's just water the plant first.
It's a bee thing right here.
I know I see that. We're not even gonna talk about me. Yep.
Did you turn it off?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Is it watering it? The ground good. It's good. You know.
Just watering more. Honestly.
Now, would it be weird if I started talking right here? Hopefully not, but I'm done with the whole head. I'm just putting on the extra that I have left in the bowl, putting it all around each plait, trying to work it in. I can actually feel her hair getting softer and softer as I use the aloe, if that makes sense. So, and then I'm pinning it up to that it sits. I'm going to do that to each section again. Okay? Making sure I get it all over her head real good so that it can soak her. Do whatever it needs to do to make her hair soft or whatever it does. Making sure it's in there really good all over her hair. Now I'm going to put a bonnet over it to let it sit and do its magic under the bonnet for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm about to use the rest that's in this bowl, and you guessed it, about to put it on my face. Alright, so the little bit that's in here, I'm gonna just put it on. I mean, nothing else to it. Put it in my hand, squish it up, and put it on my face. Like wash it like I'm gonna do a regular face wash. Rub it everywhere. Aloe can be very good for the skin, for the face. It reduces pain, swelling, soreness, the appearance of wounds. Supports the production and release of collagen, speed up healing, and it limits the scarring on your face. So if you have a lot of burns or sores on your face, use aloe. It will help. I let it sit on my face for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse it off. You could actually leave it on your face as long as you want to. It's not going to hurt anything. I just chose 15 minutes because I still had to do my daughter's hair. So I just rinse it off and go do her hair. I don't know if you can see a difference, but I can definitely feel a difference. My skin feels more tight, less oily because I have very oily skin. But it feels more tight around the cheekbones and the forehead area. So I think it works pretty good. I would definitely be doing that again. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wash the aloe out with shampoo. Just wash it out right now. And I can really tell a difference in her hair. It's really soft. But after sitting with the aloe on it, it's really, really soft. Alright, after washing, you know I have to condition. Y'all already know about the bag on the head trick. Come on now. Alright, after rinsing out the conditioner, I blow dried it and flat ironed it. It is very, very soft. Yes, it is. I will definitely be using aloe every time I have wash day for my girls and myself. Still see some pieces of aloe, but that's alright. Alright, now we headed to get our hair done, right? Slayed by Sophie, yay!
Your hair. Where's his turn?